Hi, welcome to Prognozy Capital. Today we will understand the FII market open positions. Let's understand how FII made positions on 20th of September 2023. Once you learn how to decode the FII positions, you will able to predict the market moves. So let's get started. Index performance. Nifty close negative at 19,901.4. Down minus 231.9 points. Long unwind seen in Nifty with decreased OI minus 18,702 contracts. Nifty options buildups. Nifty resistance or call option OI buildup at 20,000, with OI increased by 1,265.59%. Nifty support or put option OI buildup at 19,900, with OI increased by 80.59%. Banknifty close negative at 45,384.6, down minus 595.25 points. Short build-up seen in Banknifty with increased OI 246.6 contracts. Banknifty option buildups. Banknifty resistance or call option OI build-up at 45,500, with OI increased by 265.93%. Banknifty support or put option OI build-up at 43,500. With OI increased by 223.31%. Cash market positions. FII today sold 3,110.69 CR. DII today sold minus 573.02 CR in cash market. FII futures and option cash positions. FII sold 2,182.26 CR in index futures. Also sold 53,043.81 CR in index option. They sold 925.11 CR in stocks futures. And sold 167.23 CR in stocks option. Total net sold 56,318.42 CR in F&O market. FII index futures positions, long and shorts. In index futures, FII closed 30,419 long contracts and closed 5,337 short contracts. With this, FII is now net long in index with 33,913 contracts compared to previous 58,995 contracts. FII stocks futures positions, long and shorts. In stocks futures, FII closed 3,944 long contracts and added 8,015 short contracts. With this, FII is now net short in stocks with minus 40,164 contracts compared to previous minus 28,205 contracts. FII index option positions, long and shorts. Index options, upside direction. In index options, FII closed 213,376 call long and closed 6,879 put shorts. Total call long and put shorts for the day comes to minus 220,255 contracts. Index options, downside direction. In index options, FII closed 103,253 put long and closed 67,099 call shorts. Total put long and call shorts for the day comes to minus 170,352 contracts. FII index option analysis. FII is net put long is 301,513 contracts compared to previous 397,887 contracts. And net call long is 150,217 contracts compared to previous 296,494 contracts. FII net option buildups. Option buildups on short side is more than long side suggests that upside is limited. This is how FII created their position in various segments. Check out our market snapshot sheet for detailed position buildups by FII, DII, pros and clients. To get the FII data on daily basis, please join our Telegram channel, search for Prognozy Capital in Telegram. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram for daily updates on FII data. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and please like us and share. Thanks for watching.